be outside? Dang, you told me 20 minutes. Bro, why are you skating, bro? Why are you going 90 on the 55? Alright, I'll be downstairs. Yeah, I'm gonna come with TJ, alright? Yo, TJ, we gotta go. Alright. Kyle, dude, what's up, bro? Yeah, I got your order right here, bro. I got you. I'm only 50, alright, bet, I got you.
That's how you got TJ looking like security. See, at least he's somewhat smart. He got one point for respect on that one. Shout out to having security. You know you don't want to be out here butt naked in them streets. Can't be out here doing that. Hell no, they'll try to get you.
But we're about to turn up. I made so many plays. I got a section.
There's a long line now, though.
No. I got a section. We're good. I all the time.
You know the owner?
We're good, bro. We're gonna get in. All right. We're gonna skip the line. Fuck the line, bro. I don't do line. I'm a superstar, brother.
Yep.
Can we skip the line?
No, you go ahead. You gotta get in line, man.
No.
Because get this line too.
They said that I could skip the line. They said that.
Who the fuck is they?
Can you get the owner's son? Can you let me talk to him? Don't trust me, but I know the owner's son.
The owner's son? It's good. I got you. We're good.
Thank you, bro. Yeah. We do business all the time. I told you, bro. I told you, bro. They said I'm good, sir. They said I'm good. Yeah. He said I'm good, sir. I didn't get nervous about shit.
Bro, he was pushing you.
I pressed him. He saw my chain. He let me in. You saw that? He had motion. He could cut motion. He equalized, bro. I be outside too. I be jealous too. He was like this for more. I got a touch.
Wait, actually?
Y'all paid for a touch.
You paid for the shot?
Yeah. Come out, dude. Brother, Fox got me the touch. I moved forward in practice. We're gonna celebrate. Bro, you gotta work hard. You gotta invest in yourself. You gotta invest in yourself so you can enjoy life. Moments like this, I can enjoy now. The buses got me here, touchdown, and I do this shit religiously, bro. Tap in with me, my telegram, everything, bro. I move buses, boom. That's why I live like a superstar. Wanna go home? CBS, Saturday, CBS. My dude said he got me. When he gas, huh?
You're the fence behind you.
Follow me. Be low key, follow me.
I wore it for the girls and they didn't come.
Exactly, because your fit was so ass that they didn't even think about coming, bro. Because the fit was so ass. Well, you gotta dress like me, bro, with the chain. Dude, I can get. You want box size?
Show me the chain.
This is BBS.
What about the bracelet, though?
He got the diamond tested. Test the diamonds. Test it.
Yeah, you got the diamond
tested. Yo, that's just real as hell. It's real shit, bro. I just got a cosign. He's a stranger. I don't know him. You smoke by chance?
No, I don't do that.
You don't smoke?
No.
You can come back to mine and we can smoke. I don't care about that bitch. Well, there's so many bitches. I don't even care about bitches. That's how many bitches there are. Like gas. Like I got gas.
What price you sell?
I got lemon cherry. I got. You're not an undercover, are you?
Nope. Never happened, never will.
Okay.
Eddie, what just happened?
Guy back there was an undercover. He's in there right now. You're making the hot. He's in here. Don't look at him.
Should I call your mom?
They're not gonna make me talk to my mom. This guy 나 잡았어. 엄마. 얘네들이 like and subscribe 안 해주잖아 나. 1 second. Officer, 1 second. Guys, the officer said I can't leave unless you guys like or subscribe to this video and leave a comment. Also, follow my Twitter community, the deeper community, guys. Please follow me on Twitch also. Please, guys, please. The officer said I can't leave.
Hey, that's a nice way to get people to like and subscribe. He said, boy, I done got packed up. He got hit with the pack. Shout out to my Linda Elliott. Y'all to go check her out daily.
So this is day 3
I've been riding to work with
of
her all
the
week.
KOV challenge. So one of the things that we're supposed to do is ask a question. And one of the questions I'm interested in is, what do you think about my channel? When I started this channel, I started it, well, for me, I'm a type A personality. To relax, I have some disabilities that are related to stress. And it seems like people like them and watch them. But you guys tell me what you think. Bye.
The president is facing intense backlash today after his stunning decision to pardon his son Hunter. He was peppered with questions as he arrived in Africa for a state visit and is getting slammed by Republicans.
He is now graduated to the liar-in-chief because we know that his words mean nothing.
I guess we now know that his word as a Biden is trash.
For months, again and again, the president and the White House press secretary insisted there would be no pardon as Hunter faced up to 25 years in prison following his conviction on federal gun and tax evasion charges.
I will not pardon him.
It's still a no. It will be a no. It is a no.
Have you ruled out a pardon?